Hi there, we are going to be reviewing point of view. Point of view, who tells the story? Today we are going to be going over third person point of view and first person point of view. Do this with me. Third person point of view and first person point of view. Excellent. So, right here it says, someone's point of view is the way he or she sees things happening. So what I'd like to do first is go over third person point of view. Third person. So third person point of view, please look at this picture right here. See the book and the little girl. So third person, a person who is not in the book is telling it. So third person, a character who's not in the book is telling it. So look for the words he, she, or they. He, she, or they. Okay? So then we have first person point of view. This is right here. Notice this image. This little boy is in the book. Okay? First person point of view. A person who is in the book is telling it. Look for the words I, me, or my. Okay? Okay, so what I would like to do now is say a few words and either hold a 3 for third person or a 1 for first person. I. The word I. Is I first person point of view or third person point of view? First person point of view. What about the word me? First person point of view. My. First person point of view. He. Third person point of view. She. Third person point of view. They. Third person point of view. Okay, so right here at the book, Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus by Mo Willems. This book is first person point of view. The first person point of view is written to get you to interact. You're the reader. So whenever we're reading this story, if you haven't already heard this story before, the author, Mo Willems, wrote this in a way that you the reader, or me, we respond. So whenever the pigeon says, hey, please let me drive the bus, we say, no, no, no. So we're interacting. So this book is an example of first person point of view. Why? Because the pigeon's saying, please let me drive the bus. And I really want to. You keep hearing the words me, I, my. You hear words like that in this book. So that makes it first person point of view. So I just want to give you an example, and I'm going to go over this one more time. Point of view. Who is telling the story? It's either third person or first person. And now if it's third person, you're going to see words like he, she, and they. Please say this with me. Third person. You're going to see words like he, she, they. Third person. A person who is not in the story is telling it. See, look at this example. Third person, not in the story. First person point of view. You are going to hear words like I, me, and my. A person who is in the book is telling it. See? In the book. For example, don't let the pigeon drive the bus. This is first person point of view. You see words like I, me, and my in here. Okay? So first person, in the book. Third person, out of the book. First person, in the book. Third person, out of the book. Okay? All right, I hope you like this little review of our point of view.